Most seniors put off getting a walk-in tub because they think it means tearing the whole bathroom apart. After hundreds of installs, I can tell you it usually doesn't. Hi, I'm Will from Bytown Bath. The assumption I hear on almost every consultation, we'd love a walk-in tub, but we're not ready for a full renovation. So today, I'm walking you through when you actually need one, when you don't, and what most homeowners get wrong about this process. Here's the thing most people miss. When you picture a walk-in tub install, probably imagine the whole bathroom getting torn up. New tile, new plumbing, new everything. In reality, most installs don't start from scratch. Why? Because of how bathrooms are already built. Your current tub sits in a defined space, usually between three walls, with the plumbing already there. So most homes, we're not redesigning the room. We're replacing a tub, not rebuilding a bathroom. When the existing layout is fairly standard, the plumbing is accessible, and there's room to position the new unit properly, the job stays contained. That's why clients are often surprised by how quickly we're in and out. Now, I'll be straight with you. Not every bathroom is a clean swap. If your space is tight, the dimensions are unusual, or the plumbing is older and needs updating, the install takes more work. Not always a full renovation, but more than a simple replacement. There's also how the tub actually works for you day to day. The way the door opens, how easy it is to step in, whether the layout still makes sense once the new tub is in place. If your current setup fights against any of that, we sometimes need small modifications so the finished result actually makes your life easier, not just looks good on paper. And then there are the features. A lot of today's walk-in tubs come with hydrotherapy jets, fast drain systems, and heated seats. Those can mean small adjustments to your plumbing or electrical to run safely. Nothing dramatic, but worth knowing up front. So to answer, no, a full renovation usually isn't necessary, but a few things determine how simple the install actually is, and that's where having the right team matters. At Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers, we don't force every bathroom into the same template. We start by looking at what you already have, the space, the plumbing, the layout, and figure out the smartest path forward for your bathroom. From there, we plan the job to keep disruption low and the results solid. In most cases, that means removing the old tub, prepping the space properly, and installing the new unit clearly, without turning your home into a construction zone for weeks on end. So, if you're thinking about a walk-in tub, but weren't really sure what the installation really involves, hopefully this gave you a clear picture. And if you want to know what's possible in your bathroom, our team is always here to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bathroom insights. I'll see you in the next video.